What are they called? Chicharrones. Chicharrones?
Chicharrones.
Chicharrones. In preparation.
We're going to make chicharrones a lo cubano.
Can't wait. You need a fry pan?
So we can make a Cuban meal in Australia.
Okay.
To separate the fats, we can chop it into small pieces. It will give you pork fat. We Cuban love to eat a lot of pork fat. You might not, but it's delicious.
But you eat that as well when it's fried, yeah?
Yeah. I'll fry the fat together with the skin, but I like it separate. But you can do it either way. A little bit of salt, not much. And we are ready to start.
It's very high. You need it very high?
Yeah, it can be very high. A little bit just
So it doesn't stick.
so it doesn't stick to the bottom, because this chicharrone, the fat, they will give us a lot of fat into the fire and wait. From time to time we are stirring them, you know. Look how they're changing colors, you know, and the amount of fat is growing. We're going to use that fat to fry the skin, to make the so famous Cuban chicharrones, the crispy pork skin. Brownish?
Yeah. Golden brown, I'd say.
Golden brown.
What do you folks think? Just ask what people think.
So my friends, they're almost ready. When you see this golden brownish color, the golden brown color, it means they are ready. You should put in the comments if you like it or not. Eh? The so famous Cuban chicharrones. A typical Cuban meal.
Starter. Drinking snack. Side dish.
Awesome. A drinking starter.
Is it too hot?
Yeah. Very nice.
Yum. So why did you cool it down for this one?
Because if you put it too hot, then it will get the golden brown color too fast and they won't be ready. That's why I cool off the fat a little bit and then add it, and then we're going to fry it on low fire. Different from what we did with the fat. The skin has to be fried with low fire. And as a precaution, we are going to
Put the lid on it.
put the lid. Safety first, always. To avoid any burns, and we're going to stir it from side to side.
Try some white, is that normal? Try some white, is that normal?
Yeah. Okay, my friends, here we are with the skin, the crispy skin, the so-called chicharrones. They are ready. The same with the fat when they are golden brown color. And you hear the sound of it.
The crackling, that's why they call it crackling here.
You hear them crackling. It means they are ready.